This is the Illinois Emergency Management Agency with a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system. Broadcasters are testing equipment that is used to warn you during an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, such as tornadoes, severe weather, or any life-threatening situations, a message would have followed after the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. All broadcast stations may resume normal operations.
I am a lawyer.
What do